Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be a fried fish sandwich. And we have some catfish here. We have salt, black pepper, my personal seasoning, tartar sauce, lettuce, and tomatoes. Alright crew, let's get started on this catfish. I started with salt, then black pepper, then my personal seasoning. Then you will see that I kind of gave the fish a flip and I seasoned the other side. Then I mix everything up good together. So always remember, when you use salt, don't go heavy on it. Season your food lightly with salt. It doesn't take a lot, I promise y'all. It's just like kosher salt and sea salt. It doesn't take a lot, and a little bit goes a long way.
We stayed up till the morning, talking till the first light of dawn. Just like that, without no warning, it hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line.
Okay crew, so I have cornmeal and flour here. I'm just gonna season it with a little pepper. I'm gonna use the same seasonings that I use for the fish. I'm gonna add a little salt. And then my personal seasoning. And that's it. And this is our seasoned mixture for our fish.
And I know that we've been out drinking. Maybe this ain't for real. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed to do right now? Maybe I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too. Oh, no, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too.
Alright crew, so I always remember when just flouring or putting meal on any meat to shake out the excessive meal or flour, because you don't want all of it to soak in the grease. And fry your fish at 350 degrees, and you want to fry between 7 to 10 minutes or until golden brown.
Baby, I'm falling for you. And what I would do for you to love me too. Ooh, baby, I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too.
Crew, look at that golden brown catfish. It was seasoned to perfection, and it was really good. It was crispy, and it was still moist and very flaky on the inside.
Falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too. No, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too.
Okay crew, so I took some I cannot believe it's not butter spray, and I sprayed the bread and I lightly toasted in the pan on top of the stove. Okay, crew, so I got the queen to help me, and I definitely appreciate her. You know, she rocked. She's so supportive, and I love her to death. She cut up the tomatoes for me, and she got the lettuce ready because I really couldn't apply any pressure to the knife with my hand. And she got on my butt. She was like, "You just need to sit down. You don't need to be trying to cook." But you know, sometimes us men can be very hard-headed, and I'm not afraid to admit that. If you made it this far in the video, please drop a blue heart in the comment section below. So with the bread that I toasted in the pan on top of the stove, I just added some tartar sauce, and then I took a butter knife and I smoothed it out. And then I took the catfish, I broke it in half, placed it on the sandwich, placed the lettuce and the tomatoes, then I placed the other piece of bread on top of it. Alright, crew, that was a close-up of the sandwich, and I truly hope y'all enjoyed this video. Shout out to the queen on the assist for cutting the sandwich for me, because you know your boy's still kind of down. And here's a close-up of the fish sandwich. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all, like the videos, and comment on the videos. Let's take a closer look of that sandwich. Ooh, who want a piece? Who want a bite? Take the bite. You can have the first bite. And as always, Pops will catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.